My topic is the effects of mercury contamination on the Burrunan dolphin. Dolphins are a very important part of our ecosystem, and the death of them is of great concern. The Burrunan dolphin is a recently discovered species of dolphin that are located in southeastern Australia, and they seem to be at risk of mercury contamination. To stop the unnecessary death of these dolphins, it is important to find out why they are dying. If they are in fact dying from mercury contamination, then it would be very beneficial to find out more information. If we can find out where the mercury contamination is coming from, and of course what can be done to control it, then the concentration of mercury in southeastern waters may be able to be reduced, and hopefully the deaths of these Burrunan dolphins can be stopped, or at the very least significantly reduced. This would help restore balance back to our delicate ecosystem. As of the 19th of June 2013, the Burrunan dolphin was added to the threatened species list. The Burrunan dolphin is of great risk of being harmed by humans' negative impact on the environment. This is because the coastal waters in which these dolphins are currently located are all close to majorly populated areas. To test how mercury contamination is affecting the health of the Burrunan dolphin, biopsy samples were taken from both live dolphins and also deceased beach cast dolphins. The results from the biopsy samples showed a big difference in mercury levels. The deceased beach cast dolphins had mercury concentration levels that were significantly higher than the samples from the live dolphins. The mercury concentration levels in the deceased dolphins were almost 3 times higher than the levels in the live dolphins. The live dolphins did, however, still have high levels of mercury, and this is thought to be coming from the dolphins' food source. Dolphins feed primarily on smaller prey fish, so a number of these prey fish were also tested for mercury concentration levels. Many of them were also found to contain significant levels of mercury. The fact that the prey fish also showed high levels of mercury contamination indicate that pollution of the land and air is contaminating the environment in which the Burrunan dolphins live and feed. The mercury contamination is being spread from the environmental surrounds directly to the prey fish and then being passed through to the dolphins via feeding. This could possibly be a factor in the death of many marine animals, including the Burrunan dolphins. Although mercury is found naturally in the environment, human activities such as mining and burning coal are causing these naturally occurring levels to increase. These levels have now increased so much that they are having a negative impact on human health as well as the environment. In high levels, mercury is highly toxic and can cause severe health problems. It can cause problems with neurological health, immunosuppression, and can even affect reproduction. If severely affected, these problems can all cause death. It has also been discovered that older marine animals such as the Burrunan dolphin will have higher levels of mercury in their bodies than younger animals. This is because over time the mercury levels build up in the animals' bodies. This means that even if the prey animals only have a small amount of mercury concentration in them, then the dolphins will still be at risk if they continue to feed on them, due to accumulation over time. After researching a wide variety of different sources, it seems quite evident that mercury contamination is having a negative impact on the Burrunan dolphin. Not only is it contributing to the death of many dolphins, it is also causing serious health concerns in many other living dolphins. It seems that the main source of mercury contamination is through human activities polluting the waterways, which are then in turn contaminating the smaller prey fish species, which are the Burrunan dolphin's food source. The Burrunan dolphins are then eating these contaminated prey fish, and the mercury is entering the dolphins' bodies. If this continues to happen, the Burrunan dolphin may eventually become extinct, as it was already listed as a threatened species. Solving this problem is going to be a long and complicated process, but I believe that the only way we can try to stop the mercury contamination is to limit human activities such as mining to areas further away from the coastal waters. If we can stop humans contaminating the waterways, then it will in turn stop the mercury contamination from reaching the food web of the Burrunan dolphin.